So today we are about to take you on a tour
of Madeira's traditional wicker basket tobogganing ride. This morning we landed in Madeira, rented a car, and drove through this beautiful island towards Funchal. The scenery was absolutely breathtaking, but the drive was no joke.
Drive to the wicker basket in itself is most insane driving between roads like this, narrow, massive trucks. Tenerife is nothing compared to how crazy Alia had to drive. Yeah, how steep everything is. But we parked our car and now we're gonna go. We saw massive lines for the wicker basket, so we'll see how long is the wait before we can do it. 1, 2, smile. So just saw a whole bunch of folks in uniforms walking, so we are walking with them. Oh my god, look how many there are. This is the line for the wicker basket. It's about 11 o'clock. You can see all the folks. Okay, so for 4 people it's 60 euro, and they do not accept any cards. It's only cash, and I only had 60 euro. 3 person is 45, 1 person is 25. It's about a 45-minute line right now. Let's talk about some fun facts about the wicker toboggan.
Tobogganing originally started in 1890 when this was the only means of transportation for the locals to go downhill from the village of Monte to the city of Funchal. And ever since then, this has become a tourist attraction. In fact, pushers wear rubber boots, which they use as brakes.
And I noticed their boots were very interesting. They were very thick.
And mind you, there are still cars on the roads that they're taking us
Actually,
on,
I'll put a little footage here. There was a giant truck right behind the wicker basket, and they were letting the truck go. Slightly scary fun fact is they go down at a speed of about 30 miles per hour.
And it's going to be a 15 minutes long ride.
So we are waiting in the rain.
Is there trucks with us? Like next to us? Cars next to us?
But enjoying a nice view
On the
of
same road.
Funchal. And the kids are pretty fascinated. The line's moving fairly quickly so far, but expecting about 45 minutes. By the way, that could be useful for anybody watching this. They do have a ladies' room and a men's room right there. So before we go sit back in the car, we can use that, because then we have a long drive. So if you want to come back up from the point, it's 10 euros per taxi, although we ran out of cash, so I don't know how we're going to get back up. Either walk back up or try to figure out if we can find an ATM or something. But make sure you bring enough cash. Both the wicker basket experience is all cash, and also the taxi that will bring you up is all cash. Right, it's time for our wicker basket. Alia, are you ready?
Yes.
It is kind of exciting. So it took us about an hour and 15-minute wait. I do believe there's a cruise ship in town too, but I have a feeling this is it was featured on CNN, so it's a pretty popular attraction here. It's our turn. you. Thank you. And here goes our experience. Oh my goodness. You like it? Oh, that's pretty cool.
This is fun, but also a bit scary. But
Yeah, you're on the actual road, buddy.
but it's full of fun.
It is more fun. There's Khiz and Mom going.
Is it over?
Hey, how are you?
Yay!
Oh, whoa, whoa. Wow, look at that view. All right, bye.
Bye.
There you go.
Here we go. Oh. Okay. Go.
Oh, this is crazy. Woo. Woo! Oh, these baskets are pretty strong, right, Isa?
Yeah.
Check out the view of the ocean. There's traffic controllers standing there. So along the way, it's not like you're just constantly out of control sliding down. They are pushing you or pulling you at places just to pick up speed. And there's Khiz, what do you think, buddy? It's amazing, right? It was worth the 1 hour wait. Oh, I totally have complete admiration for the guys who are pulling us down. It's incredible. So an hour to 2 hour wait is totally worth this experience.
I'm moving in.
Even though this is all downhill, notice that they are pulling us because at the end of the day we are still on a wooden wicker basket. We're gonna go. Okay, now another slope and here we go.
So exciting.
Oh, scary, scary, scary. Oh, look at the cruise ship, Isa.
Very good.
Very good.
Finito.
Finito?
Yeah. Finish.
Oh, it's about to end.
Finish.
And this is the end.
That was so fun.
Okay, so we just completed our wicker basket run. I think it was worth the hour wait. Plus, we actually got touristy and bought a couple of pictures from them. But what an incredible, incredible experience. And I totally admire them. And again, the tip is to bring some cash for tips, some cash for your tickets, but they do accept credit card here. Now there's an ATM here, so we can go get money from the ATM as well. And from this point, we have decided to walk up on the same road. It doesn't have any sidewalks or anything. And it's gonna be a tough climb up. Okay, we did about 2 minutes of walk up this hill and actually realized this is too much of a hill. With the two kids, might be pushing our luck, so we can actually head down, but this is very steep. Well, you don't show in the camera, but extremely steep. Okay, we tried. And this is the bus that takes all the pushers up back to the starting point. We gotta go find a taxi. Oh, there's an arrow there, public transportation. Taxi that way. So again, there's no sidewalks here, right? We're gonna just walk on the road and hope. Oh, there's taxis. I only had 60 and the bill was 60. And so we ran. 1 second.
Should I be scared? Papa.
You should not be. This is like a tropical paradise.